Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 20 Barons Avenue South. Let's take a closer look around at what this property has to offer. Double car concrete driveway, updated shingles, custom kitchen cabinets with tiled backsplash, stainless steel LG fridge, 6-burner gas stove and wall oven, and Bosch dishwasher. Open concept living room, dining room with gas fireplace. Main floor bedrooms. Walk-in shower with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shower heads. Main floor laundry hookup, an option for a second laundry in the basement. Huge open concept basement with rough-in for second bath. Updated 200 amp electrical panel, updated 3/4 inch copper water line and backflow valve, updated gas furnace and water heater, walk out to yard, private fence backyard, shed with hydro, covered patio, updated central AC unit. Thank you for visiting us at 20 Barons Avenue South. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home, please call me. My name is Mark Woehrle, and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.